I am Mara Roszak. I'm here with Jessie, and I'm going to show you on Jessie's gorgeous hair Emma Stone's look from the New York Film Festival premiere of The Favorite with roses. I'm going to show you how to recreate a really soft, natural looking wave. I'm going to use my 1-inch bio-ionic curling iron, and I'll take a random thicker section. So I'm going to open the wand and create wave-like motions, creating a soft indentation in the hair, and then right where that ends, I'm going to pick it back up and I'm going to do the same thing in the opposite direction. You can see that wave starting to take shape. And then I'm going to do the same thing all the way down the hair. Emma was wearing this really cool, beautiful Louis Vuitton black and white dress. It didn't have a lot of color, but it did have a lot of texture. I had this wild idea to incorporate color by using flowers, and Emma was open to it. And I was in New York City and I ran to a local flower shop and I wound up with beautiful little red roses. And it's one of my favorite looks that I've ever gotten to do. So now that we have a really beautiful soft wave in Jessie's hair, I want to create a little bit more texture and hold in the hair before I add the roses. I'm going to take the Joico Body Shake Texturizing Spray, give it a little shake. So this spray creates a really nice soft texture in the hair, which will just help hold the flowers. These are the same products I used on Emma's hair. I'm not going to use as much hairspray because we're going to go back and use hairspray again. But this is just to create a little bit of extra hold, and this is the Joico Power Spray. So we have a rose. This is a little wire bobby pin. Most craft stores, flower stores carry flower wire. You just want it to be thin and malleable. And so you would cut pieces that are about 2 inches that you can wrap with. So I'm going to take the rose and I'm going to take a chunk of Jessie's hair, 1/2 inch thick, halfway down the head. And I'm going to take my wire around the hair and the stem tightly. I always like to start with less and then adding enough to sort of make a statement. So I kind of created a fun shape. It was sort of like her hair was raining roses in a way. Emma Stone and I have been working together for 10+ years. I want to say that this look was one of the crazier creative ideas that I've had that she was really willing to participate in. We've all been working together for so long that there is a trust. I would say for the Oscars, where you know an image can live on in a way, it's important to not let that pressure take over because you want to be fully creative. Whatever it is I do, I want to feel timeless in a way that can still feel cool and modern. I would say that there's a slightly different approach in that. So I've now placed 3 roses in. I like the idea of them feeling like they're sort of flowing with her hair. To preserve your roses, let's say you bought them earlier in the morning, keep them in the refrigerator until you decide to use them. Emma's hair lasted throughout the night. With the right products and the right tools, they're gonna stay in the hair. It's pretty phenomenal. What I would recommend for someone that doesn't have as much hair, your hair is on the finer side. They also make mini roses, and I would try that. But you can use any flower that has a little stem. What I'm gonna do now is take a few pieces around the face, and I'm gonna gently twist them, leaving out a little piece for softness around the face. I'm going to gently twist them and pin in the back. If you were to draw a line from the center of the head down to the back, that's where I'm going to secure it. Wherever I put one bobby pin, I always put a second. Do the same just on this side. Give it a little twist, secure right over where I pinned the last twist. I am going to add my tiny rose that I was saving for the end, and I'm going to put it right where the 2 twists meet. I'm going to secure it the same way as before. Take a little wire, take a piece of hair from just underneath it, and I'm going to secure the rose. And this is the finished look.